Confidence in my motorcycle helps me achieve high results. It's all you need to cross the finish line first. I rush to my goal on the horizon through dust and mud. My steel horse never lets me down, despite harsh weather conditions. Together, we conquer new heights.
Before I started using NanoProtech, I often had all kinds of problems with corrosion and damage to electrical parts, and now I don't.
Motorcycle Anticore NanoProtech has a unique formula which penetrates, lubricates, and protects your motorcycle from moisture for a long time. Nanoparticles penetrate into the structure of the applied surface, prevent corrosion, eliminate squeaking, and build a coating that reduces friction and wear. It's recommended to use the product for any movable parts. Motorcycle Electric NanoProtech restores moisture-damaged electrical equipment to working condition. It instantly restores insulation, resistance, and significantly improves current conductivity. The product prevents current leakage and insulation breakdown. An invisible nano coating protects motorcycles' electrical equipment and devices, even when they're exposed to water. Rain, mud, water, and snow can be harmful. NanoProtech can be used for motorcycles, scooters, quad bikes, and skidoos. Discretion is the better part of valor. Use NanoProtech.